Good morning, everyone. My name is Jindy Tanay from PSIT 3D. So, ang gagawin natin laboratory activity number 2 is create a simple web application with SQL injection vulnerability. Develop a simple PHP web application that is vulnerable to SQL injection. And the task is exploit the vulnerability to access a database and retrieve data. Note: check if your system is vulnerable to SQL injection by attempting to gain access using SQL injection using injection techniques. Then modify the code to prevent SQL injection using prepared statements. So, ang gagawin muna natin una is vulnerable yung website natin sa hacking or sa may vulnerable to SQL injection. So, nakagawa na tayo. So, this is the code. Ito yung code sa may log. So, ang napapansin nyo is itong statement or SQL statement. Kaya siya naging sa SQL injection is wala siyang input validation or prepared statement. So, let's try. Try natin. So, ang username natin is na may access the data is itong test. The password is 1, 2, 3. Login. Then, so, itong welcome test. Ito yung authorized user. Nakikita natin yung data ng user. User ID is username is test. So, balik tayo naman sa my index. So, kung ano natin, kung username natin is itong or 1 equals to 1, ang ibig sabihin niyan is true. Kasi boolean yan. Kung false naman is 0 equals to 0. Ang ibig sabihin nun is false. So, ang goal dyan is true or false. So, ito naman, anything na pwedeng maging password. Or anything na random letters, ganyan lang. Random letters lang yan. And basta ang gem is itong or 1 equals to 1. So, login natin. So, ito na yung unauthorized na user. Welcome. 1 equals 1. So, tapos makikita natin yung data ng user. Diba? User ID. Number 1, username, test. So, kung fix naman natin itong fix naman natin para siya maging vulnerable sa mga SQL short. Fix natin. So, dito makikita nyo is my preferred statement siya para sa may prevent yung SQL short. Yung preferred statement SQL query. So, ito din yung secure page niya. So, let's try that. Okay. Ito yung answer. Tapos kung mali naman, balik kayo credentials yung data. na natin yung or gusto lang. Any password. So, yun. Valid credentials siya na. So, it means secured yung natin nag-page for the website itself. So, yun lang.